Extremely well-maintained home with lots of energy efficiencies. Metal tile roof adds to peace of mind and value of this property. Thermopane windows are another added value. Spacious 3-bed 2-bath home with split floor plan and finished enclosed rear family room. Tile throughout main living areas. Kitchen cabinets renovated. This spacious floor plan is deceiving from the front. Landscaping all recently refreshed. Lot next door is included in the sale, giving you almost 1/2 acre. Oversized 2-car garage is also great. Close to Lake Jackson Hidden Beach, shopping, medical, restaurants and more. This is a great home.